Hello friends, welcome to the channel Trading Strategies. Today 15th June 2020. Now we'll discuss for tomorrow's trade how we have to trade Nifty, Bank Nifty and two stocks. One is Reliance, other one is Lupin. So how to trade tomorrow, that is 16th June. Straight away we'll go to the technical chart. This is the Nifty technical chart. See, today candle is inside bar. So this is the previous day, this is the today. The entire candle is within the range of this. So the coming days there could be some choppiness in the market. The market may be in this range for few days until it closes either above 10,000 or below 9,550. This is the range for a couple of days. Once if closed above 10,000 or 10,020, then we can expect the rally will continue. Otherwise there could be a choppiness in the market. And if you see the previous gap filled here, the same levels took support today also. So this gap area today also almost the low is near to this gap and given a bounce. So how to trade tomorrow, we'll see on a 15-minute chart. This is the 15-minute chart. This yesterday, say same as per yesterday. So this is the exactly taken the support here and moved up from here, that is 9,734, and it went all the way. The high is 9,868. So now tomorrow this level is the key level to watch out. So the plan is like this. If the price comes to this level, attempt to buy and keep a stop below. So 45 point stop loss and expecting a target of today high. If you see the entire rally from this area to this area, so this is the rally. So this fall arrested almost the lower of this rally and retraced this level to 50% today. If this continues the upside, there could be a probability of testing this 9,990 kind of levels. For intraday purpose, tomorrow we'll take this as a buying opportunity at 9,750 and keeping a stop loss of 50 rupees or 45 rupees and aiming a target of 9,875. If the levels come, we'll make a profit of 125 points with a stop loss of 45 points. This is for the Nifty tomorrow. Now we'll see the Bank Nifty also. This is the Bank Nifty daily chart. If you see this also, this gap area support on Friday and today inside bar. So there could be a range bound for couple of days. The high is this one. We have to wait either side breakout for a positional trade. It breakouts around 19,500 below. On a closing basis, there could be a deep fall. If closes above 20,750, then there could be a rally. So this is the range bound for couple of days. So for tomorrow, how to trade Bank Nifty? This is the Bank Nifty 15-minute chart. So our entry level around 19,600 and keeping a stop loss below 19,540 and aiming a target of 20,078. That is the trade plan for tomorrow Bank Nifty. I will see two stocks for tomorrow's trade. For today, Apollo Hospital has given a decent profit as per plan explained in the previous video. Today Apollo has given a decent profit. So for tomorrow we'll see two stocks. One is a Reliance Industries. We'll see the Reliance. So this is a Reliance Industries daily chart. We'll go to the daily chart. Yeah, this is the daily chart. If you see, this is the supply area. So it tested here 2 times, 3 times, and today is the 4th time and closed almost higher edge of the zone. So there is a high probability of breaking this zone and going upside. So for that reason, I am planning to buy this stock. Intraday basis tomorrow, how to trade. If I want to go for a positional trade, any correction, small correction in the price on intraday, that is a buying opportunity. Keeping a stop loss below this today low, we can keep a small stop loss today's low and aim for a target of 1700 for a positional basis. For intraday, we'll see where we can take out our profit. This is a Reliance trade plan for tomorrow only for the intraday. If you want to trade for positional trade, any correction tomorrow can be bought and aim for a target of 1700 for positional. For intraday purpose, tomorrow I'll be buying around 1600 and keeping a stop loss below 1593 and aiming a target of 1635. So why I took this target? The simple reason, this is the rally, small correction, again rally. This rally may halt here because if you see from here to here and fall, and this is the 100% retrace Fibonacci extension. So that is the why this is the level is important, 1635. So this is the tomorrow's trade plan for Reliance. Now we'll see another stock is Lupin. This is the Lupin daily chart. Today it has given a range breakout and this breakout may continue to the level of 980 and 986 zone. This was the supply. So, and if you see the pattern, this is the demand area. It honored demand and moved up. So the 3 candles very slowly come to the demand zone and this demand zone honored and went up. So today the momentum is there. So there could be a high probability of going upside and touching these levels. So for tomorrow's intraday, this is the plan for tomorrow's intraday. So if you see, this is the rally, small correction, again rally and a small correction. This may come to this area and go up. So for that, this is my entry around 936 and keeping a stop loss of 930, maybe of 30 or 2950 kind of levels, and aiming a target of 960 for tomorrow, only for intraday. This is my trade plan for tomorrow Lupin. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please share it to your friends. If you have any comments, please write in the comments section. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you.